Hello and welcome to another Grandads Travels, and it's Grandads Travels sorts his bike out again. Today I've decided to put some new pedals on because the ones that are on it are a bit cheap and crunchy, so I've just got like for like. Yeah, I've just got some folding ones which are for folding bikes, almost the same as the ones that's on, but I do feel a little bit better quality, made of alloy, a little bit more, less plastic on them. So let's get stuck in. One off. Two off. I'm going to keep the washers that's come off on the old ones and just pop them on the new ones because they didn't come with any washers. So let's go get them on. Right, well they're both on. No rattling. Which is good. So we've just got to wait for this grotty weather to clear off so we can take it for a test ride. So I'll say until the grotty weather clears off, until the next one.